Hi friends, welcome to Guess the Image game. Today you will see two pictures that hide one secret word. Can you guess it before the time runs out? Let's go! Yes, it's a pineapple. Well done, that's blueberries. You got it, watermelon. Yummy strawberries. That was tricky, banana. Amazing! That was horned melon. Awesome! That's apple. That was tricky. Orange. You got it, dragon fruit. You're a genius, mango. Sunflower. Genius, grapefruit. Easy, starfruit. Amazing, olives. Well done friends for finishing the challenge. I bet you saw one thing that was not a fruit from the list. Talk to your teacher about it. Bye bye for now.